Hello friends, good evening. In the last video, we have seen waterfall chart in Power BI desktop. In this video, we are going to learn Scatterplot chart in Power BI desktop. For that, first we load the data in Power BI desktop. This is the clean data, so I'm directly load data in Power BI desktop. You can find this data file in the description box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment on my every videos. So we have successfully added data. You can check data columns here in data section. So you have to go to home tab and new visual. Here you can find the scatter chart. This is a first or by default animation chart in Power BI desktop. Also we have both numerical data in both on both the axis. When we have that type of requirement, we have to use scatter plot. When we have both axis numerical, let's start. Here you can find values, x-axis, y-axis, legend, size, play, axis, and tooltips options in built a visual window. So I'm going to first add x-axis, that is sales, then y-axis, profit. So here you can find y-axis is profit and x-axis sum of sales. Then you have to add values here. First I try with subcategory. Here we can find the data subcategory wise. So for better understanding, we can on category label here. So it will help us to understand the data better. So here you can find maximum sales in this area, both mobile phones and executive chairs, but maximum sales in mobile phones category. Similarly, we can find maximum profit in the subcategory printer section. So if I want to choose between executive chairs and mobile phones, which one should I choose? So I definitely choose mobile phones because slightly sales is better as compared to executive chairs, but profit is bigger than executive chair, or we can say greater than executive chair. So this is the analysis of the scatter chart. If you want to choose between subcategories such as between mobile phones and printer, which should you choose? So which is better you think? So as per my knowledge, I would prefer printers because you can see for printer we have maximum profit but average sales as compared to mobile phones. So this subcategory is very profitable, so we can definitely choose printers subcategory. We can also add different options here in value section. Suppose I want to analyze data as per the category, so that is also possible here. So here you can see we have maximum sales and maximum profit for office stationery. And if you see, electronics is better than luxury furniture category. So this is the analysis for category. We can add both category and subcategory here. So here when we add both options here in values button, category and subcategory, then you can find these four buttons here, drop down. So here when I click on this button, you can find category and subcategory wise distribution of the data. For better understanding, I'm going to cancel category here. Also we can check with other options such as region wise. So here you can find a region wise sales and profit. Definitely we have maximum sales and profit in west region, so we have maximum business in the west region and minimum profit in central region. So it is very useful to plan future tricks or tactics to increase the business. It will definitely help you. Again, I'm going with the subcategory again. So here we have one next option, size. So here we can add quantity option. So as per the data, we can see size is bigger for large quantity and smaller size for low quantity. So this is also helpful to analyze the data and quantity. So here you can see which product is or which subcategory is better. Again, you can find printers are mostly useful or profitable in our business because we sold minimum quantity for printers. If you compare with the mobile phones and executive chairs, with minimum quantity we receive maximum profit. So definitely printers are very favorite subcategory for the company. Then we have very important option here, play access. Here we can add order date. So here we can find our animation chart here. This is the actually date wise, but we generally not see data day wise. So I'm going to stop this video, go to play access again, then go to order date and we check with year wise. So here you can find different years, 2015 2020. And if I click on play button, then you can see the trend year wise from 2015 to 2016, 2018, 19 and 20 we increase sales and profit. We have minimum sales and profit in 16, 17. So this is the use of scatter plot or scatter chart in Power BI desktop. Again, we can check the trend by using click option on the bubble. Here for tables, you can check the trend year wise. So it will definitely helpful to analyze the data. This is the use of scatter chart. So we have similar format options here. We have already checked with category level. Then similar options as per size and style, padding, title. You can change the font size, font type, etc. Range. You can select X and Y axis range because both are numerical axis. If you want a grid lines, you can on and off as per your requirement. Here are the here is the different option markers. So currently we have select circle. Now you can choose square also as per your requirement. Also you can add plot area background in the you can add an image here. So these are the format options for scatter chart. So these are the main points for scatter chart in Power BI desktop. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment on every video. Thank you for watching my video.